Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to join Rotimatic Referral program and earn each referral $25. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just type here Rotimatic. Otherwise, you can put it here my referral link. I already added this link in video description. You need just simply click here in the website. This is a website to buy from here very easily. Rotimatic. How to buy Rotimatic? I already make a video and unboxing also. Link is available on video description. Here refer and earn option are available. You just simply click here. Join our share and happiness program. So here is the option. You can receive here each and every referral unlock $25 in Amazon voucher, and you can use those Amazon voucher to buy shopping from Amazon. Just simply sign up here. As a sign up point of view, you need to add it here your email address or password. I just simply select here my email address, sign up with my Google, and here look at this is my referral link. I already added this referral link on my video description, so you can copy this referral link and share your friends. And if your friend is join using your referral link, so definitely you receive $25. And if you are watching my video here, so you can use my referral link, so definitely I am receiving $25. This is a simple process to join refer and earn program in Rotimatic. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.